we're getting my life back together. It is the weekend and we're gonna start it off on a good note, so let's go to Pilates. But because it's hot Pilates, I'm definitely gonna be having to wash my hair after, so let's oil my hair. It's been a hot minute. Apparently banana oil is like the new rosemary oil, so I got it off Amazon and it smells so good. It smells like coffee, which I like because I actually don't like the way rosemary oil smells. So we're gonna put my hair in a slick back bun. Not only am I doing an oil mask, but I'm also getting like a hot oil treatment. My Pilates membership is expiring soon, so I need to go as much as possible. And then we're gonna do a full Dyson routine after, because I'm going to a pumpkin patch tomorrow, which means I'm gonna be taking lots of photos and I need my hair to look amazing. For breakfast, I had a protein smoothie, so I'm like really starting off on a good note. Last night I went drinking with my girlfriends at Cactus, so yeah, I need to like get my life back together. But let me get ready for Pilates and let's go. This is me before my yoga class. I'm not sweaty, I'm energetic, I'm going to literally die in there, but I'm excited. I got my towel because I sweat a lot, and I got my yoga mat.
1 hour later.
That was disgustingly hard. Holy, like I literally feel like I could be a professional athlete after that. That was crazy. But I'm gonna go home now and we're gonna do a shower. This is a moment for my keychain. I have to do some maintenance on my car this week with my boyfriend because it's a new car, but it's old, right? Oh my god, look how red my face is. Anyways, let's go home. I feel disgusting. I feel like my hair needs, oh my god, this lighting is doing me so dirty. I feel like my hair needs like a clarifying wash. I keep using the Gisou, which is really, really good. I actually like it, but I feel like I have a lot of product built up. This is the only clarifying shampoo that I have. It is the Moroccanoil Purifying Scrub. So this is actually good because it is a scrub, so it's gonna actually get in and scrub my hair. So first I'm gonna go in with the Gisou, get all the oil out. Then I'm gonna go in with this on my scalp. I keep all my favorite body care in this little bedside table that I have, and because we're gonna smell like ultimate fall, let's pick out the gourmand, very cozy, warm cinnamon body combo. So I've been loving Sticky Dates. I feel like Sticky Dates is the perfect scent for fall. It would not be a fall or winter scent without Bianco Latte. This is one of the most viral perfumes on TikTok in the gourmand community. It is so good. It's like white chocolate, milk, caramels. It's so good and it lasts forever. And then because I like to make it a little bit sweeter, I love to pair it with Vanilla Woods. I love this perfume. I've given it to all my friends because it is just that girl. It is like vanilla extract. If you love vanilla perfumes, you're gonna love this. And then obviously for deodorant, I've been loving the Athena Golden Vanilla. I feel like this is like a elevated, expensive vanilla deodorant because it has those notes of sandalwood in it, so it doesn't make it so intoxicating. I had to make an entire iced coffee because my hair routine, it's exhausting, okay? It is truly exhausting. So here's my hair. It's looking like a rat's nest. Don't even know how I'm gonna detangle this because every time I use a clarifying shampoo, it really dries your hair. So it's very naughty. Naughtier than how my hair typically is if I just use the Gisou shampoo. So we're gonna do scalp care first. I'm very passionate about scalp care. I've actually grown my hair 5 inches in just like 6 months to a year. I used to have a ton of hair loss, guys. My hair was like falling out, and I've managed to grow my hair back by being religious with it. I'm always oiling, always taking care of my scalp because your hair grows from your scalp. Yes, you have to preserve your ends, but you need to take care of your scalp. So this is the Kérastase Nutritive Nutri-Supplement Scalp Serum. I have tried about 3 of the Kérastase scalp serums. I love all of them. My favorite is actually the Genesis line because that one targets hair loss. So I'll just put it in my scalp and give it a little bit of a massage. Now today we're going to be working just with Gisou. I like to change up my products all the time, but lately I've actually been liking Gisou products. My hair does really well with moisture, and it does like a little bit of oil but not a lot of products. So instead of layering a bunch of products, I'm just going to use their new 5-in-1 blowout cream, and then I'm going to use the method where you put oil on top of your leave-in product because oil is going to seal in, close the cuticle, and that is just going to keep all that moisture from that product locked in. So I'm hoping that this is enough to detangle my hair. My hair is very fine. I do have naturally wavy hair, so we'll see how it goes, but I like like this product from Gisou because it has 450-degree heat protection, frizz control, hold, and shine. So that's like everything I like in a product that usually I have to use multiple products to get that. Kérastase also has a blowout cream that I've been using for a long time and I'm practically done it. Okay, I'm gonna try to detangle my hair and we'll be back. So I blow dried my hair. My roots are dry, but my ends are probably 70%, which is good because you want it to be somewhat wet so that it will hold the curl. You're not putting too much heat on dry hair. I'm gonna go in with the paddle attachment because I have wavy hair and my straightening treatment is wearing off. The paddle attachment is just gonna help elongate the hair and not have it be so frizzy because of the waves and the curls that I have. I did do a straightening treatment, which I can do a whole video on, but it literally, I love it. I would literally be getting it again, but the girl that I go to is like on like a 2-month vacation, so I have to wait. So this is what my hair looks like after I use the paddle attachment. So you can see like it is not sleek smooth like a straightener, but it is like the strands are straight, and that's because I have textured hair. Now we're gonna go in with the barrel attachments. I have 2 types of barrels. I have the big barrel and the small barrel. I prefer the big barrel because it is way faster than using the small barrel, but if I use the small barrel, my curls will last longer, but you know, we're kind of in a rush. Anyways, you can section off your hair. I will section off my hair just a little bit, but usually I don't really have a lot of hair and my hair is quite thin, so it's not like that big of a deal. Each half I go in one direction, so all the curls go that way, all these curls go that way. It may or may not be a couple days later. You know, life got a little hectic, but let's clean my room. We're still on this fall reset because I don't know if I showed you guys, but I'm starting a full-time job soon and I need my life in order. So let's clean my room. I did my laundry on the weekend, so I have a lot of clothes to put away, and I'm gonna listen to my audiobook. I'm listening to Restitution by, I think her name's Leah Rivers. It's pretty good. I'm just excited to finish the series. Honestly, I hate when my series are left unfinished. So let's get to cleaning.